Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Client 7 Technology. So in this video, I'll be discussing about Azure Portal. So Azure Portal is a basic component of Microsoft Azure Cloud. It is basically a GUI component or a GUI dashboard that is provided by the Azure Cloud through which you can create the resources. So I'll be showing you how the Azure Portal looks like. So this is your Azure portal, and here are the few Azure services provided by the Azure. So you can create the services by clicking on it, or if you want any specific resource, you can click on this plus icon to create a resource. So for such amazing videos, subscribe to Client 7 Technology.